What's up? Hey, what's up now? How you doing? Let's look here. Look at the lens here. Don't look here, look here. Look here, look here. What's up?
I see you from here.
You can hold that.
Kyra.
I want to take a picture.
Want to take a picture?
Yeah. Picture of the TV.
Picture of the TV? Definitely.
No, let me do.
Sorry? No, just press this button again. This one. This button.
Okay, let's try
Yeah.
Kyra did not slap me.
Yeah, so yeah.
Kyra didn't slap me.
No! Kyra, my turn. You got it? Yes! You did a good. Give me a high five.
How's it? Looking good? How do you go back?
Yeah.
So you press this button over here. The button used to take the picture. This. Press it.
This?
Yeah, that. Alright.
Kyra. You can dance. Like small lamb.
Let me show him, man. Show him the picture.
Alright, get lower.
Let's get it. Let's go.
Yeah, I got it.
Got it? Check this out, check this out. Kara, the ultimate photographer. What's good?
I want to take a picture of myself.
Of yourself.